Hey, what's up? Adam here, and welcome to this example video where I'm going to show you how to join WordPress and how to join Tumblr. So in this video, I'm going to just right now go to WordPress.com, which is www.wordpress.com, and WordPress.com is the place where you can create your blog. It's pretty easy to do. As you can see, it just says sign up now right here on the right side. So express yourself, start a blog, sign up now. In seconds, you'll have a blog with amazing features. And you could obviously go check out all the features that they offer. WordPress for iPhone, they have an application. These guys are big. They really do know what they're doing. So WordPress is a great place to set up your blog. So all you do is you go to WordPress.com and you just click sign up now. And once you click sign up now, you just click get your own WordPress account in seconds, and you just follow the steps. Your username, so your username is whatever you want to call yourself or whatever you want to call your blog. Your password, your confirm it, your email address, legal flotsam, whatever that is. I've never heard of legal flotsam. Maybe you should read that. But you just click I agree, and give me a blog, or like username.wordpress.com. So like in the video I explained, it's going to be your username.wordpress.com. So this username right here is going to be what plugs in right here. So you obviously are going to want to maybe change that to a www.whatever your username is .com, because you don't really want to have your username.wordpress.com. I don't find that very professional, and if you want to be branding yourself as a leader for your passion, you want to have your own website domain. So with WordPress, that's kind of tough to do. You can't do that on WordPress.com. As of right now, I'm not sure how to do it myself, but you can go to WordPress.org. And WordPress.org is WordPress is a state-of-the-art publishing platform, but this is where you get to host your own WordPress on your own site, which means you get to have your own domain. And this gets a little bit more tricky because you have to set up what each one is and what each hosting is, and you have to go through putting the host through and setting up your server. And I think if you know what you're doing and you know how to do that, you know how to set up your own website and everything, definitely go with WordPress.org, because they are very good and they're a very trustable platform for blogging. So if you're a little bit more advanced than most people, go with WordPress.org. If you are not, then I recommend you go and use Tumblr.com. And I love Tumblr. I mean, I can't get over it. Tumblr is it's the easiest website. It's TUMBLR.com, and it is super easy. So all you have to do is you just put in your email address, create your password, and then you just write your URL. So your URL is going to be whatever your username, whatever you want your blog to be called, .tumblr.com. The same way as WordPress, but once you get inside of Tumblr, you can change that. You can change your tumblr.tumblr.com to your actual domain. So that means that you don't have to pay for hosting, you don't have to do any of that. It's free with Tumblr. So instead of it being tumblr.com, it's going to be whatever your username is .com. That's your whole website, and that's the way it should be. So Tumblr is great for that. Once you get inside, you could just go to settings and just click on host my own domain, and you just plug in your domain once you've bought it in GoDaddy, and from there you will be set and you will have it as your actual real domain, www.username.com. So that's a good thing about Tumblr. So you easily can sign up just by going to tumblr.com, putting your information in like that. See 24 reasons why you love Tumblr. They have tons of information here. They have an iPhone application. They have everything that WordPress has. It's just everything's made easy and everything's done very in a clever way. So that's why I really like it. And this is what I was talking about with you have different posting options. You could post Tumblr makes it effortless to share anything you find or create. Post text, photos, quotes, links, dialogues, audio, video, slideshows, and more. And these are the different icons that you can use. And you just click on one, and then you can post a text. You click on that, you post a video. You click on that, you post a website. So they make it very, very easy for you. And they have tons of other things here. You could use analytics, automatically tweet. Tumblr's made for really social networking, and that's why I really say go for Tumblr if you don't really know how to set up your own website or anything, because Tumblr, everything's there for you already, unlike WordPress where you will need to set up things yourself. But Tumblr, boom, 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 you're up. It's great. And they have everything here. So you could even call in your posts. Call us at that number and record an audio post for your blog. I mean, how cool is that? Tumblr has everything, and look how fancy their themes are. And all these themes are given to you for free once you join. You could just click install this theme and it uploads your theme, and you could change your theme whenever, and all your content on your blog stays there. So you could just always be changing new themes. You could have a new theme every week. So that's really all this is. So there's one, WordPress.com or WordPress.org if you want to host it yourself and you're a little bit more advanced. Or you go to Tumblr.com, you start creating it, and then you just plug in your GoDaddy domain that you bought, either the .tv or the .com, whichever one you bought and whichever one you like better. You plug it in there, and that will be your blog, and it will be hosted for free by Tumblr. So that's really all this video is about, and thanks for watching. All right.